Hey, John with Buick Dent Repair, Minnesota here. Just wanted to take you along on this dent repair of this 1987 Buick Grand National. Had a couple shots in the passenger side door here, and we were able to get those out utilizing Paintless Dent Repair. No paint, no putty. I actually went to the customer's house on this one. Didn't even have to leave. He was getting ready to do a full paint correction on this vehicle and wanted to get the dents out beforehand, which is the proper order to do that. If you are looking into getting a paint correction, you're going to want to get your dents fixed beforehand, and most likely with Paintless Dent Repair. And if you're in the Twin Cities Metro, I'd be happy to help you out with that. So if you have dents or dings, please do give Buick Dent Repair a call at 651-492-DENT. And as you'll see on the aftershots of this repair, everything turned out very nicely. The customer was extremely happy, and so was I. It was an honor to work on this beautiful classic 1987 Buick Grand National. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.